Hi, and welcome back to another video. I decided to whip out my little lampy lamp, and I'm sorry for this ghetto thing. It's just my wall looks crazy, so there's that. But today, I'm doing another Lacemade video. So, almost took the whole mic out. Lacemade, but the package came kind of like damaged, but let's just open it and see how this goes. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm just gonna open this real quick. Alright, so in this package I got this dress, which is called the Dream Harbor Midnight Dress. Size is medium. I don't know if it's 11. But I'm not really skinny stuff. And then I got the lace bouquet dress, and I wanted it originally with the corset, but I was like, I'll get it without the corset. If I want the corset, I'll get it in the next one. By the way, this is part 1. I still have another item coming, but I did it in separate order, so oops. So there's this, and then during that time, they each came with little corsets. So I'll just have 2 of these. So this is the first one. The second one's coming with the next package. So, alright, so let's unbag it. Let's start with the lace one. I fell in love after the last video, so I just had to. Look at how pretty. Oh, y'all, this is so freaking cute. Like, I just love it. This one's not like a corset-y thing, so it's just regular, and then like the straps are super cute and whatever. It kind of moves around because it's just like wrapped around it, but it like zips up in the back, so that's good. And it's so freaking cute. I love this. Then the second one, which is the Dream Harbor one. This one is more corseted, but it's built in, but there's no like lace up like the last one. But this is how this dress looks, and it's just so pretty. Like, look at that. Look at the details. And then the back is also zippered. So that's how that looks. I might as well just try it on right now. Yeah. Okay, BRB as I try it on. Okay, and the grand reveal. So pretty. I don't know if I should like switch this. So, oh, that was way too dark. I'm like, maybe I should make it brighter so you can actually see. But I like it. It's just so cute. It's actually like pretty nicely fitted. Like, I couldn't fully zip it up because it's kind of hard to do that when you're trying to do that by yourself. But I'm like, it's cute, and it reaches it doesn't reach the floor, but it reaches down. Like, let me slightly angle this down. Like, you could see that it goes, but it's really pretty. I like it, and it's so like flowy, and it gives like a Paris kind of vibe. So, but the details are just so cute, and it's just so perfectly like form-fitting. Oh, I'm in love with this company, like in love. Only thing is, again, I kind of like the lacing it up thing more than the zipper, because zippers are so hard for me to do by myself. It took me so long just to get this zipper on. It fits though. It's just trying to zip it. But that's this dress. It's really, really pretty. On the price tag it says $89, but I paid less because coupon codes, duh. But super cute, super nice, love it. Here we are. Okay, let's try on the next dress. Let's see how long it takes me to get this next dress on. If that's not motivation for me to start working out again, I don't know what is. BRB. Alright, dress number 2 reveal. This dress is also really cute. I just feel like maybe I do need the corset part. Like, I don't know. I mean, I'm still shapely, but it's not like what I want it to be. Like, it's giving more, I'm wearing this as pajamas than anything else. But maybe it's just because it's me. But it is kind of see-through. Like, you can kind of see the silhouette of my underwear from the front. From the back, not so much. But it's cute. And then I figured I might as well put on the corset too, just to see how it looked. It's cute. So if you're in prom season, this is cute as hell. I like the little pearl bracelet kind of thing going on. It's really cute. But this is this dress. It's also zip up, but this one was easier to zip up, so didn't mind it at all. But I feel like because it is kind of see-through, you're gonna need like another slip under it or something. But the details are so cute. Yeah, or maybe just wear nude, like something nude under, nothing colored. But what do you call it? I like that all of these have like 2 layers of fabric. It's just this one needed like a third layer, like the black dress. So the black dress, it has this tulle, then it has like this kind of like meshy black fabric, and then it has this like nude slip kind of skirt thing going on. So this has multiple layers, which kind of helps with the whole see-through factor. So I feel like this just needed that one more layer under and it would have been perfect. Sometimes I have to learn how to breathe when I'm talking. But I feel like these dresses are really cute. I'm definitely going to get the corset for this now that I'm seeing it on, because it's cute, like I said. The straps are not adjustable. The other straps are. But it's still like elasticy, so it is comfortable and it fits. And that's what matters, that it fits. It's really like a cute, like, let's go out and be pretty dress. But what else? These are all hand wash only kind of dresses, so you really need to make sure you're not like damaging them in any way. And then, is there anything else I wanted to add? Well, the price of this dress is $69. Don't mind if you can hear the little music from my washing machine, but got it for less, like I said. And it was during like the prom sale or whatever, which is why I have the corsage and why extra discount, because promo codes, like I said. But I feel like all in all, I'm really happy with these 2 dresses as well. And I'm definitely gonna buy more as time goes on. Where will I wear these dresses to? I have no idea. But the point is I have them there, so if I ever need to go out or anything, I have an arsenal of dresses. Now I need to get shoes to match. But I have one more item coming, but it's not a dress. I decided to get something else from them. Okay, hello again. Different angle, different day, different hair. It's like so early in the morning and I'm about to leave for work, but I literally got my other Lacemade package, so I'm like, I might as well review it. So this is how it comes in the little bag. It has the hanger and everything. I love that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, here is the coat. So freaking cute. I know I'm doing bad, but look at the inner details. Freaking adorable. I know my lighting is horrible right now, and I love these little teddy bears. So cute. And this thing comes off, so you can have it with the fur or you can remove it off. Okay, so it's not necessarily fur, but not doing good with that part, but let me try it on. I got it in a small, I think. Oh, it doesn't even have it on this tag. Whatever, but I'll check it in a second. My lips, actually, I'm not making life simple at all. Yeah, it's in a small because I saw it was oversized, so I got it in the smallest size because I'm small. And oh my god, it's so cute. It is huge though. I will say that it is huge, but it's cute. I like it. Now it does throw me off when the button is on the other side. Like, I'm not used to that. Okay, there we go. It's It's me trying to close it. Okay, closing the buttons is kind of annoying, but once you get it, it's cute. Let's check and see if you can remove these. You can remove these as well. Okay, perfect. And this is the cup. It's so freaking adorable. And it has pockets. Oh, I love this. Full 360. It's so cute. So yeah, this is getting added onto the first video because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make it 2 parts, but I'm like, why would I do that when I could just make it 1 video? So here we are. This dress was like $100 and something, but again, discount. I think it also came with a corsage. I just didn't fully check the packaging, but I do like it. It feels nice. I like that there's room, so there's that. I feel like it's pretty warm and pretty good, and I think it's cute with like a dress on and stuff. Oh, I love it. And it's not like it's like kind of furry, and it's not like a super bright red. Like it's a deeper red, which I like. So super cute. 10 out of 10. Alright, well, I gotta get out of here now. Well, anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day. Bye!